how's it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw a cute cat, Christmas cat that is. There's a bunch on this page. These are just kind of different poses, different types of styles to draw them. So it's going to be simple, easy, completely for beginners. So if you're a beginner, you're going to enjoy this and you will be able to do this, okay? I'm going to step by step. All right? Before you do that, make friends. Please make friends with the subscribe button. If you like Christmas drawings or if you like Halloween drawings, hit the subscribe button. Bam, bam, bam. Because during the year, when next year, right, comes along, Halloween rolls around, you're going to start seeing how to draw Halloween stuff, simple tutorials again on your feed. And then when Christmas rolls around, you will start seeing that as well, Christmas feeds. All right, so let's get started. Over here, and I'm going to curve a line out for the side of the cat's head, pulling in. All right. And going over here. It's going to be the line of the ear. Down. All right. I'm going to throw the brim of the hat over here. Side of the head. Maybe falling over half his face, kind of like in another drawing. Going over here on this side. Curve, curve, curve. And then going down. Curve, curve, curve again for that brim. That brim of that Christmas hat. It looks like a hairdo. Don't you think? All right. And I want it to be laughing, like ha 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 ha, you know. So I'm going to have his paw out here, curve in, pull up, go over here, down, curve over here for the side of his face. And then the cat's going to have the little hee-hee eyes. So I'm going to have the little curve right there for one eye. Curve right here for the other eye. Line over here. Down, up. Line over here. And line over here. Right there for that cat smile. Smiling cat. Over here for the tongue. Line back. Tongue out. Let's put a soft triangle over here inside the ear. Also, don't forget to hit that like button. If you like drawing, hit that like. Helps the channel out with the algorithm and does so much good stuff. Curve down here for that top of that hat. Pulling a line upwards here. And then partway this way, pulling it down. Line over here. That popcorn ball at the end of that cat's hat. All right. Going over here. Curve line for the cat's foot. Curving in up. He's going to have his paw downward here. Curve out. And he's going to have his hand up. Going to have his hand in his chest, kind of like down his chest. Going over here, line out. And then we're going to have the other foot on this side. Last thing you do, line over here. Sweet. And let's draw curve, curve, curve for the paws on the feet. Curve, curve right there for the paw on the hand there. Curve, curve for this paw. And then curve, curve, curve for that right there. line over here. Alrighty, there you go. Let's put a little bit of color into this. I'm going to grab a red marker. You can grab a crayon, colored pencil, anything you want. I'm going to take this off. And I'm going to throw some color in here. Right on. There you go. And like I usually prefer colored pencil, but this is so quick to demonstrate with. Let's go for the tongue. I'm going to use a pink for the tongue. Right here. Like so. And for the nose, I think I might also use a pink. Well, I think I'm going to use a lighter pink. If you only have one pink, use that pink. But I'm going to try to use a lighter pink over here. That doesn't work. Use that lighter side of the pink here. That is almost identical. Wow. Okay, well, that's all right. So I'm going to grab a light blue. I always say this, grab a light blue, and I'm going to put it around the edges here, especially the bottom edges of anything white. Like the cat's going to be white, so curve along here. Pulling up. Line over here, line up here, down over here. Same thing over here with the brim of the hat. Same thing, just around the edges. I like to throw them around the bottom edges. You can also kind of throw them on this side because there's not a whole lot going on over here. Just wherever you think it needs a little more flavor, you know. I completely forgot the inside of that ear. Forgive me. Oops. Let me fill that in as well, inside of this ear. There we go. Completely forgot the inside of that ear. Wow. I'm so sorry, guys. But anyways, that's it. I really appreciate... well, I'm going to put a little bit more here. I'm going to really appreciate you being here for this lesson. You are amazing. This is the only reason this is running is because of you guys. And like I said, hit that like. And please, if you want to help the channel out, if you want to take 2 seconds to help it out, what you can do is to share the video with a friend that you think might enjoy it. If not, press the share button. It takes 2 seconds, and when you press share, it sends it out to a lot of people. You can press share and share it out to your Twitter or anything that there is. Thank you so much. I will see you next time, and I'll see you very soon, okay? Hit me up in the comment section. I'll talk to you later.